we have to see a change. There's been a very, very disappointing performance by the previous MLA who was a minister. Every project that he has brought to this constituency has been a failure of no benefit to anybody. We need a young, dynamic representative who will transform the face of Chittoor, and that's what we've got, an outstanding young candidate.
And what about the whole UDF in this Palakkad district?
Not just Palakkad district, across Kerala we are seeing a wave in favour of the UDF. People are tired of the failures of the LDF government. 10 years of disappointment, 10 years of broken promises, 10 years of corruption. You all know about the Sabarimala gold case. People in Palakkad are very disappointed. Everywhere I'm going, I'm hearing they want change. And we want young, smart, dynamic faces to be the face of that change.
And our Prime Minister is here. That BJP candidates, all the leaders are telling that they will make a huge change by the visit of Narendra Modi here.
I know he's here. Mr. Pinarayi Vijayan is also in Palakkad today. It looks like we're all in the same district, but unfortunately in different parts of the district. All I can say is let them all come. Ultimately, even if people like Mr. Modi, they know he's not going to come here and be their MLA. Who is going to represent the voices and needs of the people? That's not going to be Mr. Modi, nor is it going to be Pinarayi Vijayan. It's going to be local people, and that's where Sumesh Achyutan is born and brought up in Chittoor. He has fought here, worked here, strived here. He's run the municipality. He's done so much work locally. He understands the people. They want their voices to be heard in the assembly. That's what Sumesh Achyutan will do.
And will the BJP can make an account in Kerala?
Who knows? But frankly, when they're a zero-seat party, you can't take them serious as a factor. They are saying they will open their account even if they get 1 or 2 or 3 maximum. It's not going to make any difference to the future of the state. Ultimately, those who want to see the LDF government go should not waste their votes on the BJP, because BJP can never have enough strength to make a difference. Instead, we must have a strong UDF government. And therefore, I'm hoping that there'll be a good majority for young Sumesh Achyutan, but also for other candidates throughout the state, so that we will have a complete change of orientation and mindset in Kerala.
And will the LDF government will change?
I'm convinced that the LDF's days are numbered. On the 9th of April, their fate will be decided, and on the 4th of May, we will all be celebrating. Thank you.